first graders. So today for Fundations, you will be doing jumpin' jack spelling. And I am going to tell you what that looks like and what that is. So what you're going to do is you're going to do jumpin' jacks. And while you're doing jumping jacks, you are spelling each sight word. So if I was going to spell the word they, I would do jumpin' jacks. So I would do, you're going to have to pretend Miss Escobar doing jumping jacks, but I would do H-E-Y, they, okay? And then you would do the next word. So let's say the next word is one. I would do O-N-E, one. And then you would keep going. And so that is your Fundations work today. I figured this would be a really fun one and it kind of gets you moving. So have fun, first graders.